Okay. Hi, everyone. Welcome. Thanks for joining our session today. Also, thank you to Comunado for organizing such a great event. We're super happy to be here. I'm Imge. This is Luca, and we're from the Atlassian marketplace partner, Kayla. We do apps for Jira and Confluence that help teams work more efficiently with Atlassian products, boosting team collaboration and productivity. We have 9 apps on the Atlassian marketplace and over 100K users globally. So today we'll focus on how to optimize workflows in JSM to cover procurement processes or any other kind of process that requires efficient asset management. I would first like to start with the challenges that organizations face when they handle their procurement processes manually and less structured. So one of the biggest problems for organizations is inefficiencies across the business due to manual processes, lack of automation, and chaotic asset deployment. This can slow down overall performance and prevent teams from focusing on tasks that really matter. Another issue is increased costs and wastage due to over-ordering, stock outs, because of inefficient management of inventory. And then also we have the problem of relying on too many multiple tools for different processes, as each tool requires time for maintenance, training, integration, and obviously costs. And then another challenge I would like to highlight is poor communication and visibility due to information silos, lack of real-time updates, and misalignment among teams. So there are many tools out there that can help you overcome these challenges, and one of them is Jira Service Management. And the reason is it's improved efficiency that helps organizations automate tasks, reduce manual errors, and speed up approval processes. Then Jira Service Management is also a tool that is widely adopted across industries, which means that many teams are familiar and comfortable with using JSM. And then, of course, another reason is its flexibility and the customization options. However, everyone who is a little more familiar with JSM also knows that it doesn't fully provide the feature set that is needed to efficiently cover procurement processes, as the admin, for instance, still has to do a lot of manual work, and then the overall user experience is not very user-friendly and intuitive. But thanks to great enhancements, we can overcome these challenges, and our solution here is Shopee Assets Integrated Shop for JSM. With this solution, we integrate Jira Assets with JSM, where we basically use the data and information we have in Jira Assets and display it in an online shop-like interface in the JSM portal, which makes the whole solution way more intuitive and user-friendly for everyone to use. So no matter of your technical skill set, you can easily use Shopee for procurement processes. And now let's see Shopee in action.
Thanks, Imge.
You're welcome.
So I'll show you now one of the many use cases Shopee. So for example, hardware selection of an employee. So when a new employee comes to a company, you send him to a JSM portal, which on the top has the Shopee panel. And the good thing is this is all customizable, so you can put your own brandings and colors. And when the employee opens the shop, it opens a full window dialog with all the categories and all the available products. So this layout allows users to navigate through products and add them to the cart as a standard shopping experience. So when an employee goes to the laptops, for example, he gets all the available laptops. And the good thing is these details are all customizable, so you can put the descriptions of the items. And the good thing here is we have a out of stock feature. So this feature in Shopee allows administrator to manage inventory directly from the configuration settings. So this feature provides flexibility in inventory management and helps maintain accurate availability of the product of the products in real time. After the employee picks out his hardware, he goes to the cart details where he's shown all the chosen hardwares. When he finished with the cart, he finished the filling out the rest of the request form, and after that he goes to the send button that automatically creates the Jira ticket, and then the employee is done with the process, and the agent comes and gets a notification of created tickets. Then the agent goes to the ticket where he has the Shopee panel that shows all the items that employee ordered. Then after that, he can approve the order. He can put for each of the items the custom status of the item. For example, is it ordered? Is it declined? Is it shipped? After this is confirmed, the agent will get the generate PDF button that will create an invoice. So this is fully customizable with your own company details, and will be shown what the employee ordered. After this, after the order is approved, the agent will be able to add to assets feature. So this feature is basically a powerful tool for streamlining the workflows and enhancing the organization of resources. So after the agent clicks on the add to assets, it opens a dialog, and this ensures assets are consistently tracked and reducing the manual entry and keeping assets records up to date. So they can assign this item to that employee, and after that, in the JSM portal, the employee can see the My Assets in the configuration profile and go to the My Assets. When he clicks, he can see all the assets that he's owning. And for example, if he gets a, broken laptop, he can report it as a broken hardware, and then the agent will take care of it. That's basically the procurement process.
If you want to get more information on our solution, you can scan this QR code or just reach out to us for a free demo. Thank you.